how to overcome the overthinking. That when we want to start something new, if it is beneficial for you, you just start without any hesitation, without thinking the people, without thinking what the society makes hypothesis about us, who laugh at you in your starting time. Same people follow you and appreciate you and give clap for you one day when you get succeed. Hello everyone, how are you all? I wish you all are doing well. And I am also well. I am Chandni Singh. I am from Uttar Pradesh district Jalon, as you all know about me. And this is my English speaking journey. I want to speak fluent English. I want to learn speak fluent English. And this is my day 8. And if you want to learn English without any hesitation, if you want to speak fluent English without any hesitation, without fear, you can join with me and start your practice. And in the last of video, I will give you a topic, and I will also give my practice, give my sentences, and practice my sentences about the particular topic. And after that, you will start your practice. And if you want to say sentences in the comment section, you can type all these sentences in your in the comment section. So first thing I want to say you all of that, how to overcome to overthinking. So first thing I want to say to you that when we want to start something new, the first thing is come in our mind, that is what people think about us. When we start this particular work, what the people think about us. If we fail about the this thing, what they think about us. They make laugh at us, they make fun of us. This type of thinking stop our work, stop our tries. This type of thing create a breaker in our succeed. So I just want to say you one thing, that first thing, overcome there is a need to overcome to overthinking. That is a must need to overcome the overthinking. Because when we are not overcome to overthinking, we cannot go forward, right? So if you want to get succeed, if we want to learn something, what we want, that first thing is remove the overthinking. Don't think about the people, what they think about us, what is the hypothesis of the people about us, about work, about our work. Remove all these things, left all these things. Don't think about all of us, all of these type of problem. So what to do if we think about us, what to do, how to start. If you want to learn something new, you just focus the particular work, what you want to learn or what you want to start something new. You just think a particular work and think about the positive points related to that particular thing what you want to start new, and think about the negative points. If it is beneficial for you, you just start without any hesitation, without thinking the people, without thinking what the society makes hypothesis about us. Okay, if the work is beneficial for you, you just go ahead with it. If you create overthinking in your mind, you can't start the new thing. So how can we overcome the overthinking? First thing, take a deep breath, and you have to daily meditate. Drink water in sufficient amount, and think positive about the work what you want to do. If the work cannot affect to the other people negatively, then don't think what the people think about you. You just start your things, you just take a step to go forward and get succeed. In learning phase, I must want to say something to you guys. If you want to learn something new, when you are in learning phase, people make fun of you. People find out negativity in you, in your work. But after some time, if you don't focus on that thing, if you don't get all these type of thing, if you uh, don't give the importance of that type of thing, you get succeed. When you get succeed, same people who laugh at you in your starting time, same people follow you and appreciate you and give clap for you one day when you get succeed. So you just don't think what the people think about you. Overcome to your overthinking and start new what you want to need in your personality. What you what thing enhance your personality, you just do that type of thing. If the particular work cannot affect the people, cannot if don't didn't affect don't affect the people, don't affect the society, don't give the negative message to the society, don't give the bad effect to the society, that work is fit for you, you can do without any hesitation. Okay guys, so in today's video I am just want to say I just want to say this thing. Then don't give the importance to the other people's thinking, other people's thoughts. Go get rid of this type of thinking and start what you want to learn. Time is changing. I want to learn in English, I want to speak fluent English. I know there are lots of people, they make so fun of me. They can find the many negative things about me. Maybe they cannot like my speech also, but I know there are in the other hand there are lots of people who appreciate me, who appreciate my work, who can appreciate my effort. So I just focus the positive aspect only. I cannot see the negative aspect, I just see only positive aspect. So you just see the positive aspect, whatever you want to start, whatever you want to learn, and go with that. Okay, you just okay with that. So today's topic is I want to describe a day of shopping. Okay, create your own sentences, and first of all write all these sentences. So I hope friends you understand my words, and I am going to giving you a topic, and practice of it. You and me also, we are practicing with each other, and I am describing a topic, and you just also create your own sentences about that particular topic. And so friends, today's topic is to practice speak fluent English. This is my today's topic. I am practicing by topic wise. So this is today's topic. Uh, Topic is a day of the week. Okay, what is your favorite day of the week? First of all, I describe my day. After me, you describe your according to you. Okay, so Sunday is my favorite day. I know I have lots of work on that day, but still I like Sunday of the week, because Monday to Saturday my work are fixed time, or there is a need to finish my work on the fixed time, because my husband goes to office, and Yashvi also goes to school, so that I cook the food on the fixed time, take bath in the fixed time. All of works are fixed for the time, so that after 6 days, when Sunday comes, my smile bright, because I feel free, I feel light, because there is no foundation to work on fixed time. There is no foundation to get up very early in the morning, and so that I feel free and finish my work when I want. That's why I like Sunday. And on that day, my husband also give me a hand on my household work, so that my work is become easier. My work becomes easier, and on Sunday I cook special, because there is no foundation to cook food in the fixed time. I cook something special on Sunday, and we enjoy with each other. My family also like something special to eat on Sunday. Uh, no doubt there is lots of works on Sunday. I have too much work on Sunday to do, because to maintain my week, I finish so many works on Sunday. But still, I like Sunday, because again there is no foundation to work to finish my work on fixed time. Maybe lots of people like Sunday, and my Yashvi also likes Sunday, because she is free from her school at least one day. That's why she also likes Sunday. And on Sunday my tuition student also off, so I get 1 hour at least free. That's why I like Sunday. This is my reason to like Sunday, and this is my practice topic. Now it's your turn to describe your favorite day of week. What are the day you like of the week? Describe your own word and pop up the comment on the comment section. I must read your comments. And till then, take care. Bye bye. Meet you soon with a next video. Till then, keep learning and smiling. Bye bye.